Well, we're back again on my 3 packs a day experiment. I gotta tell you, I'm not feeling it. I don't know why. Just getting into it. Maybe it's the weather. Weather's kind of gray and I don't know. Just get into a funk and then I kind of don't want to fly. And that's the whole point of the 3 packs a day experiment, is to force you to get out and fly even when you don't feel like it. But what am I gonna do today? I could listen to music. That's always good for inspiration. But, best intro ever. I think I'm gonna try and break my quad. It's legit raining. It's just straight up raining. The quadcopter I'm flying today is the Rotor Riot HD1. I've got the R38 props on it, the smoke gray ones that Mr. Steele and you know, HQ make. And I gotta tell you guys, I had this thought as I was getting ready to fly today. Is the DJI system as good as a GoPro? Definitely not. But when I think about, oh, should I put a GoPro on my quad today? Yeah, or should I just maybe not risk smashing $300? And then I'm like, well, the DJI is good enough. So no, DJI cannot replace a GoPro like at the, you know, ultimate level, but it's good enough. We are back on, oh, hello pigs. We are back on Betaflight 4.1. This is, I have not put Betaflight 4.2 on this quad yet. Because it's got my new prototype flight controller on it. And I have not, ooh, I was gonna try and hit that hole, but the van was there in the way. I have not got a target made yet for 4.2 for my, I mean, it'll have a target for 4. How to put the quad right into your van's windshield. Right? Am I right, guys? Do. What if I did could I go underneath? Come back, son. Lost video. Come on back. Doesn't seem like I broke anything. Doesn't sound like I broke anything. The more of a lead up you give yourself, the easier that is. Like, coming from there would have been much harder to dive it straight sort of down and in. Yeah, I didn't feel real confident about that. See, there you're just kind of flying into it. You're not really, like, power looping it. Something's up with this quad. It's just sagging out and beeping every time I hit the throttle. But I don't think I'm like, I don't think I'm like 14.4. Wow. Once upon a time, I flew right through this fence hole right here. Okay, Grandpa, cool story. And then, kids, I flew right through that hole in the fence. Yeah, but did you do it today, Grandpa? No. Once upon a time, it was so cool. Too wide. This would be really cool if you could get it super clean. Now I like to roll to the outside for an orbit. Now this doesn't feel like an orbit to me, it just feels like you're just flying. But if you roll to the outside like this, it feels more like an orbit to me. Suck it. You didn't think I could do that, did you? That was that was super clean. I'm actually a little impressed. Boom, son. I am really impressed with how the, whatever R38, R42, whatever prop it is, I'm impressed with how it took that crash into the tree. It didn't show, it's still pretty balanced and pretty nice. Oh, hello. Oh, that's not where I meant to be. No, go back. I wanted to go back. Here we go. There we go. That's kind of cool. Ooh, that was close. I'm to the left. No, that's not a Matty flip at all. Damn it. I can hear that one of the props is a little messed up, but overall, these props are still hanging in there. I'm pretty impressed. That's not a Matty. That's just a power loop. This is a front flip. Oh, it feels real uncomfortable going this direction. Okay, I'm starting to be impressed with these props, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. To have taken abuse like this and still be... Oh my god, that's so awkward. Wow, I did not realize I was that much worse going to the right with an orbit. Alright, that's what we're going to work on then. So, this move, whether you call it an orbit or not, is all about... Oh, wow. Oh, so awkward. It's about sort of balancing yaw, roll, and pitch, like all moves. Oh, and throttle. And I guess I am not as comfortable doing it to the right. Oh, this is taking so much concentration. It's so much less natural than it is. It's going the other direction. Hello, throttle. Throttle. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi. Hello. Do. I guess we're working on throttle management today and shooting teeny tiny gaps. Oof. There's a teeny tiny gap, isn't it? Ooh. There's a teeny tiny gap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, 13.9, 14.0. Okay, we gotta bring it in. Every flippin' time I tap the ground, the air unit stops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I am not going to be able to get my third pack in because for some reason the air unit's not powering up. I think it's a wiring problem because my flight controller is also not powering up. So I will be tearing this quadcopter apart, and that is going to do it for today's 3 packs a day. But as tempted as I might be to just throw this out and go, well, okay, today's a wash, I got a couple of those little gaps I shot I'm pretty proud of, so I'm putting them in. And I hope you enjoyed it. Happy flying, everybody. Do you see this baby? Isn't he cute? Hit the subscribe button. Join my Patreon. Use my affiliate links. Or just keep watching videos. That's better than nothing.
Go, go, gaga, subscribe to my daddy.